Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a combined Rosegirls haul. This is from the RTS from the pre-order that I just hauled like a week or so ago. 2 weeks now, maybe, I don't remember. She did an RTS and I grabbed a bunch of scents that I passed on the first go. And then my second box is just kind of a random, oh, it was her sale. The sale she had on, what was it, for being open 12 years or owning Rosegirls for 12 years or something like that. So of course we have the cow paper, and then of course thank you from her, which is always super nice. So there's that. Okay, guys, I know I keep saying no more Rosegirls, I'm done, I'm finished, blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna try to deny it anymore. I'm just going with it. So I'll talk about that more a little later. I kind of have a plan going forward, but I'll talk about that in a different video. But here we have bourbon pecan churros. It's like every time I get a Rosegirls order, I'm just like, really? Like every time I fall in love with some of the scents. So this is toasted pecans, bourbon sauce, fresh churros. I smelled this. I smelled some of my order, not the whole thing yet. You guys, when I tell you, this smells so flippin' good. You really get that bourbon sauce. Oh, so good. And the toasted pecans smell amazing. Just like a slight nutty note. Oh, and the churros in there are like, I can really smell churros. I don't always smell churros when I get a churro blend, but that one smells pretty good. I'm really happy with that one. Sleep Like a Baby was one that my friend had picked up, and she said you have to try that one. So I was like, okay. American Cream, which is the Lush type, which American Cream, don't get me started on. It's supposed to smell like a strawberry milkshake. It does not smell like a strawberry milkshake whatsoever. Twilight Lush type, lavender and chamomile. I do like Twilight Lush type. American Cream is kind of this, I don't know how to describe American Cream. I've had it before, but oh yeah, wow, I smell that American Cream. I didn't think I would, but it's there. It's kind of this like synthetic strawberry. Like it doesn't smell like strawberry milkshake at all to me. I don't know where they got that from, but I'll try to put a scent description across the screen so you kind of know what it is. But to me, it always has smelled, I don't know, kind of, it's a very peculiar note. It's like one that you would know if you smelled it, but I don't think you would be able to pick it out if you've never had it before. I do get a hint of the Twilight Lush. And I don't really smell lavender chamomile though. Twilight is a lavender scent though, so it could be covering up the lavender chamomile. I did grab another bag of blackberry mocha cookies. I said that I love this scent. This is blackberry jam butter cookies, vanilla hazelnut mocha, and monster cookie. You guys know that I love the monster cookie blends. So this one on cold to me does not smell the same as it does on warm. It has that blackberry jam butter cookies. You can smell the vanilla hazelnut mocha, and the monster cookie kind of comes out on warm. I love monster cookie blends. Give me all of them. Ghost Stories is iced vanilla woods, Bath and Body Works type. So it says sexy, woodsy blend of vanilla, smoke, lavender, musk, and then vanilla cupcakes and lavender. I was like, why did I skip this one? I don't know. Ooh, okay. This smells like a... Have I had iced vanilla woods before? I feel like I have. This smells very familiar. It's like a cologne smelling to me. It says sexy, woodsy, blend of vanilla, smoke, lavender, musk. It smells like a cologne to me. I don't know if I'm smelling lavender or vanilla cupcakes yet. But to me, this is very like masculine so far. I do warm through my Rosegirls quite a bit. So I think I went through 10 bags in the last 2 weeks. I mean, I was really warming through. Like, I love pulling my Rosegirls to warm. It's one of my favorites. Harvest Moon is Twilight Woods, Bonfire Bliss, and Cherry Wood. When I was looking over the scent descriptions again, I was like, why did I pass on this one? It sounds really good. So there's the colors, fun colors. Kind of reminds me of like Halloween, like gray and yellow. It makes me think of like a werewolf. Oh, this one is good. This is a nice cherry wood, like not too heavy on the cherry wood. Oh, this is like woody, sexy. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, I can't wait to get this on a warmer. I haven't had Twilight Woods in a bit, so I don't 100% remember that, but wow, that one is nice. It's not as heavy cologne-y as the Iced Vanilla Woods and that other scent, the Ghost Stories. That one's really good. This one was kind of a toss-up for me. I don't always love Cider Lane, but Cider Lane pressed Pretzel Day. I was like, okay, let's try that. So Pretzel Day, I think, is in reference to The Office, maybe. So this is Cider Lane, peanut butter, pretzels, and cinnamon sugar. All things that I have to be careful with. So I don't know why I grabbed this one, but it sounded good as a combo. Yeah, this one is really good. You get the bakery from the pretzel, and then you, of course, smell Cider Lane. Cider Lane, I can't really miss, but I think it's got enough bakery in there that the Cider Lane is going to be changed up. She has another Cider Lane that is like, what is it? Cider Lane something, but it has something in it that kind of changes up that Cider Lane that I can do. Yeah, that one's good. I like this one. We'll have to see how, like, if the pretzel comes out on warm with that one. Okay, I had to grab this one, Autumn Walk. So immediately I'm just going to tell you when I smell this one, because I did smell this one already. This reminds me of the Omen from Super Tarts, like right off the bat. Hers is apple. Well, this says Juicy Apple, Ocean Air, Rain, and I believe Omen is Red Delicious Apples, Ocean Breezes, Vanilla Bean Noel, and I can't think of the last thing, but it's similar. Not exactly the same, but that's what it reminded me of with the apples and the ocean. Yeah, so I can smell her Rain in here. I think that's the difference. I'm smelling Rain. So, okay, so never mind. When I first smelled this, I thought Omen, but now that I'm smelling it again, I'm getting more of her Rain. And Rosegirls Rain is very distinct, I feel like. Yeah, when the box got here, I opened it up, I smelled it, I could smell the apple pretty strong in there. I don't smell it so much anymore. And that's the thing is, like a lot of times when you smell these scents, like a little later or a different day, they can change. The next one I grabbed is Coastal Kale Clothes on the Line, which is Coastal Kale and Fresh Laundry. I've been loving her Coastal Kale scent, which is a new thing for me. Oh, this is so fresh. So fresh, clean, not laundry. I think her Fresh Laundry is, I want to say it's like a soft laundry, but it's not White Clouds. I don't know if anyone knows what her laundry is, her Fresh Laundry, let me know. But that one, the Coastal Kale, is very fresh in that one. Okay, this one, oh my gosh, I could not wait to smell this one. 15 Minutes of Flame. So I'm not the biggest Blue Sugar fan, but with everything else mixed in with this one, I was like, I have to try that. Blue Sugar, Caramel, Resin, Charred Wood, and Warm Amber. And that's what the bag looks like. Oh, okay. I don't know if I like this one. I was thinking it was going to be sweet with the caramel and the Blue Sugar. Oh, wowie. What am I smelling in here? There is something very, is it, I don't know what resin smells like, if I'm honest. Am I smelling barbecue in there? What's going on? Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know, you guys. This is weird. Yeah, is the charred wood, like, supposed to be like barbecue, like hickory bark that you put in like the barbecue? I don't know, you guys. That one is a little odd. Did anyone else grab this one? And what did you think? What am I smelling? And why do I smell barbecue? 15 Minutes of Flame. That may be 15 minutes of no thanks. I don't know. Clouds on Fire. I think this was a repeat purchase. Cedar Smoke, Palo Santo, and Jumping on Clouds, which is her cotton candy frosting, cupcake, monster cookie, marshmallow smoothie, vanilla crunch donuts. Yes, this is a repeat because I really liked that. Kind of like the opposites attract kind of thing, because you have the bakery and then you've got the Cedar Smoke Palo Santo. So you're getting two different worlds mixed. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I grabbed another bag. Oh, that is so good. You really do get that bakery and then you get kind of like that cedar smoke. Oh yeah, it's heavier on the bakery, but mixed with that, oh, that is good. That is so, so good. Jenny just like kills me with her blends. Like I seriously just look at these blends and I'm like, oh my gosh. I had to grab another bag of cool beans. This is peppermint, sweet lavender, and vanilla bean Noel. This is just a great blend. The peppermint in here, if you've never had Rosegirls peppermint, you have to try it. It's just so good and creamy. It's very strong but creamy. You just get the hint of sweet lavender. I think the vanilla bean Noel just kind of tones it down. Okay, my dog is looking at the peanuts in here and he's staring at them with an intensity. You can't have the peanuts. I mean, he can technically eat them, but Rain in the Backroads is another one that I did not order. I don't think, did I? I can't remember. I'll have to look. November Rain is Yankee Candle type, bergamot, ginger, vetiver, and pine. Rain in the Backroads. Yeah, so this one, if I remember correctly, she's got another scent that reminds me that I'm thinking of, and I'm trying to think, do I have it right here? Yeah, I think it was my empties. Is this it? I feel like she has another Backroad scent because I'm really getting like the pine. It's kind of got a cologne-y scent. I don't remember what November Rain is exactly. I think I had it in my other haul. I'll have to look and see and notate it here if I can remember. Okay, I have one more box and then I have this sample from this box. This is Lambeau Leap or Lambeau Leap. I can't remember. It has to do with Wisconsin though, I believe. I think it's their football team. So Sweater Weather, Cider Lane, and Vanilla Bean Noel. I remember the first time I had this, I remember I got it and I didn't love it. Yeah, I'm not the biggest Sweater Weather fan. This one almost smells like, I almost smell like I'm getting mango out of here. I don't know why, because there's no mango in this. And Sweater Weather doesn't have mango in it either, so I don't know why I'm smelling mango, but that one's probably not for me. I'll pass that on to a friend. Okay, let's get this other box. This is just the sale order and it's very small, so we'll just jump right into this. So Spellbound, I can't remember if this is a new blend or if this was part of like a past pre-order. This is Coastal Kale, November Rain again, and Mountain Lake, which is, those are both Yankee Candle types, and I know I love Coastal Kale, so I need to get into Yankee Candle someday soon. And Bath and Body Works too, by the way. Oh, this is pretty. So this smells very watery. Like November Rain, Mountain Lake, that would make sense. I don't know if I get her strong Coastal Kale in there, but yeah, this one smells very watery to me so far. Like a Rain, not her normal Rain, but kind of like a little bit of like a unisex water. It's not super sweet. It's not her normal Rain. I grabbed, oh, so this was on the site, like her last RTS, she just kind of snuck this one in there and nobody really saw it, but then she offered it again. So this is Palo Cotton Candy Ice Cream Cake, and I really wanted to try it, but I was too late. I was like, I'm not going back in for one thing. Palo Santo, Cotton Candy Frosting, Vanilla Ice Cream, and Pie Crust. I just thought that sounded so good. Her pie crust, if I remember, is it her pie crust? Oh wow, this is really a smooth Palo Santo. It's really heavy on the cotton candy frosting, I feel like, with the Palo Santo. Which is nice to smooth the Palo Santo out. I think it'll be really good in the bedroom. Let me put that back here. Let's just put that on top. This is Sleeping on Lavender Clouds. This is Lavender Chamomile, Cup of Cake, Vanilla Crunch Donuts, Monster Cookie, Marshmallow Smoothie, Cotton Candy Frosting. I love her Sleeping on, her Jumping on Clouds scents, and I think the Sleeping on, is that just all lavender? I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, this is really a good lavender. Lavender like bakery. It's not like lavender cookie or like if you've had, yeah, like I'm thinking lavender cookie is probably a big one. It's not like lavender birthday cake. It's just this really good bakery lavender. Okay, I had to grab another Smooth Criminal. If you remember from my last haul, I freaking love this scent. This is Royal Sugar Cookie Espresso, peanut butter, a pinch of nutmeg, a dollop of whipped cream. If I was going in for a sale, I was like, I have to grab that one. Oh, this one is so good. Yeah, this one's really good. It's like super bakery. Oh man, and her espresso is so light in here, which I appreciate because I don't love espresso like super strong. Oh, this one is good. I hope it warms as good as it smells on cold because I think this is my second bag of this one. Okay, and then I grabbed another, or maybe I didn't grab Opposite of Keto, so I decided to grab it this go around because I was going to grab it and then I didn't. Cream cheese frosting, sugar cookie dough, pretzels, waffle cone, and cookies. I think I have Opposite of Keto and jelly donuts, so I didn't think I needed the Opposite of Keto on its own. Oh, this is good. Wow, this is like, oh man, I can smell the dough. I can smell the pretzels. Oh, this one is so good. Like, super sweet bakery. You get the dough, you get the pretzels. That one's nice. I don't know if I've ever warmed through a bag of Opposite of Keto, but I'm going to need to soon because that one smells nice. Here's another one. Forest Thunderstorm. So this is one I did not grab. Rain, Crunchy Leaves, Woods, Ginger, Lemon, and Vetiver. So this one has that same like masculine as the Backroads one. The, what is it called? Rain in the Backroads. They share some of the same scents. So Ginger and Vetiver are some of the same scents that they share. And I think I'm getting like the Vetiver. This one smells like a clean man. Yeah, like just fresh out of the shower because I think the rain is giving me like that water note and then kind of earthy with the crunchy leaves. So that one is really good. I like that. This will be another like bedroom scent. I like, again, you guys, like I love her wax so much. Oh, dang. I should have like checked my sample before I made my order because here's bourbon pecan churros right here, which I already know I like. So toasted pecans, bourbon sauce, and fresh churros again. Let's see if it smells the same as the other one. Yeah, it smells exactly the same. So I hope this one doesn't go to like caramel, sticky caramel, maple on me because I can't handle those. But okay, that is my order. 2 combined orders from the last 2 like RTSs. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you are not warming your Rosegirls, like really start warming it because like it really doesn't need a lot of cure time. I don't feel like. I think mine maybe sits for like 3 or 4 months and then I just go for it. And I've been having really good luck. And I really like some of her blends. Like I'm really falling in love with some of her blends. My warm reviews should be up before this video goes up, and you'll see that I went through, I think about 10 bags, and I think I loved like almost every bag I went through. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.